Hey everyone, this is Manish. Welcome to the JavaScript tutorial series. In this session, we are going to explore the concept of increment and decrement operators. So, what basically increment and decrement operators are? Increment operator is used to increment the value by 1, and the decrement operator is used to decrement the value by 1. So, if the value of a is 5 and increment operator is represented using the plus plus icon, plus plus operator. So if I use a plus plus here, so that means it will increment the value of a by 1. So 5 will be incremented by 1, which will be 5 plus 1 6. Okay, if I use a minus minus, so it will decrement the value by 1, means 5 minus 1, which will be 4. Okay, so that's about the increment and decrement operator. Now in theory, basically there are two types of increment and decrement operators known as postfix increment and prefix increment. Are written after the operand like this, and prefix increment is written before the operand. So this a is called as an operand and this plus plus is an operator. So postfix increment is represented using a plus plus. After a there will be plus plus, and before a there is a plus plus in prefix increment. Similarly, we have the postfix decrement operator, which is written like this, and prefix decrement operator, which is written like this. Okay, so what basically the difference between the postfix and prefix is this, and what basically the difference between postfix and prefix operator is, if I create a script here, JavaScript, and write a variable a is equals to 5 here. Okay, now to print the value of a, we will use the document dot write a here, and if I write a plus plus here, so what basically this line says, if I use a comment here, okay, so here the value of a is 5, and here we are incrementing the value of a using postfix operator, because plus plus is written after a. So what postfix operator do is, on the same line where the postfix operator is applied, on the same line the value will be same. Whenever a will be used afterwards, after this line, on that line the value will be the incremented value. Okay, on the same line where postfix operator is applied, it will keep the value as same, but on the next line whenever the operand is used, it will display the incremented value. Okay, like this. If I remove the comment, the value will be 6. Okay, now if I change it from postfix to the prefix operator, so in this case what will happen is, here on the 10th line variable a value will be 5, on the 11th line the value of a will be incremented by 1, so directly, so on this line the value will be incremented here, and on the next line whenever the value is used, the incremented, which is the new value of a, which is 6 here, that will be the final value of a. Okay, so that will be the value of a here. So the basic fundamental of postfix increment operator is, if the prefix operator is used here, the value will be incremented first, and after that it will take the same value. But in case if we use this postfix operator, then on the same line it will keep the value as same, but it remembers that the operation has been applied. So whenever it will find a on the next line, it will print the incremented value. Okay. Similarly, in case of minus minus means decrement operator, so if I use a minus minus operator here, so on the same line the value will be same 5, but on the next line the value will be the decremented value, which will be 4 in this case. Okay. Similarly, if we use a prefix operator for decrement operation, so in this case here the value of a is 5, on this line 11 the value of a will be 4, which will be decremented by 1 directly, and on the next line it will present or display the decremented value 4. Okay. So let's take one more example here. If I write a plus plus here, I will comment it out for now. Plus plus a here a is equal to a plus 1, and here minus minus a, and then a minus minus. So at the end what will be the value of a in this scenario? So let's solve this step by step. So on line number 10, the variable a value is 5. On this line postfix operator is used, so whatever the value of a will be, whatever the value of a here is, that will remain same here, but on the next line whenever the value of a is used, it will be the incremented value. So on this line the value of a is 6 now, and also the plus plus operator is applied here, so plus plus 6 means it will become a 7. Now on the next line the value of a will be 7, so on this line value of a will be 8, 7 plus 1 8, and on the next line the value of a is 8, and minus minus is applied, that means it will decrement the value instantly, the value will become 7, and on this line the value of a is 7 now, but the postfix decrement is applied, so here the value will remain same, but whenever the value of a is used afterwards or after this line, so here the value will become 6, so the output it should display a 6. So this is how we can solve the increment decrement operators in any programming language. This was the example of JavaScript, but in every programming, C, C++, Python, so Java, in every case you might get this concept. So this is how the postfix and prefix increment and decrement operators are applied. So we'll see you in the next session. Thank you for joining me. Please do subscribe, share and like also. Thanks for your support. Thank you.